Perhaps one of the greatest tragedies in modern times is that the leading cause of death in many developing countries stems from a simple lack of access to basic health care. This is largely due to overworked healthcare systems and a lack of adequately trained healthcare professionals within these countries. Over the years, there have been many commendable proposals to solve this global problem, such as clinical exchange programs and medical aid. However, a majority of these solutions have only been short-term fixes, and in many cases, the number of recorded patients can still outnumber doctors, almost 50,000 to 1. Healthcare Without Borders is a non-profit initiative that attempts to address this global problem from an alternative perspective by working on building up and improving the workforce of healthcare professionals within these affected regions. It achieves this by providing a variety of different vocational and academic courses in the areas of health and medicine using a satellite IP network known as Theseus. The network itself is a hybrid mix of a star and mesh topology design network. This point-to-point communication system minimizes lag time, but also allows VSAT locations to communicate with one another without having to be routed through the main hub. Learning centers within the program can be virtually set up anywhere. Centers are given portable kits that include all the necessary components to create a virtual classroom. Once set up, centers have access to some of the leading educational institutions in the world. Volunteer teaching staff in partner universities and hospitals can then broadcast a variety of different educational content such as live lectures, medical procedures, and interactive workshops. Courses are taught using a combination of both distance education and training at local hospitals and medical centers. Our hope is to one day create a diverse network of interlinked universities and hospitals in order to finally bridge the gap between the healthcare services provided in first world countries and the healthcare services provided in developing countries. Healthcare Without Borders, connecting developing countries with first world universities, hospitals, and resources.